welcome back to the channel, and today I will be showing you how to get Flan Marker. So, now you go over here. So you go over here and then you see this suspicious log. This stick. You like, what happens if I go on it? You can actually go on it. And actually, for some reason, there's an invisible stick. And it makes you go over here, and here is the obby. So, yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Just hold up. Come. So now you why am I so bad? Like, I'm just trying to find, I just want you guys to get Flan Marker. Okay, never mind, guys. That is taking forever for me to get what was it called? Okay, never mind. I'll be showing you guys how to get okay, I don't want to do that marker. I don't want to do Flan Marker. Never mind. I'll be showing you how to get what was it called? Oh, Capless Markers Cap. Okay, yeah, that's where it is. No, get me out. No, just come on. So now, you go over here. Oh. Rock marker. That's how you get that. Grass marker. There. You happy now, guys? So this is how you get Cough Drop Marker. All you have to say is Hill Rock 3 times. And then enter.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think Hill Rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill, see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
Okay, so you guys need to read that for me in the comments because I have no idea what he just said. I can't not read fast.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well,
Tough luck. You won't find one here. Look
somewhere
there.
else.
Dude, his voice sounds like a 19-year-old man. What is happening?
Gosh, persistent. Fine. Pick the marker. SMH.
Oh, and that's how you get Cough Drop Marker. Subscribe.